What's up, people? Today is a Saturday and me and Cooley there make some runs in the town. Right now we are going to Superior. I'm going to buy some parts. Woo! Bike I need a front shocks, but that's not what we're going to buy. We are going to buy some bike parts. Buy some. I wonder what time they lock past that. They are 5 o'clock or 5:30. Let's go! Canada! Why Canada? Hey man, bike so silent. Why buy a brand new missile? God. 430i. Oh my god, a machine them, man, especially with the competition. Oh god, man. Machine them, man. Beam up. Dog, I drive it slow, you freak. Me want to drive out, you know, like, you know, she say people are come up. Quick shift up on there. Feel like I want to go up on my line road and then come back down. Eh?
Check out the road and go.
And that me just say, bombard! That me just say to him, you know, can I road them bad? First wheelie of the day, that wasn't even a wheelie, I just lifted the bike. That's so much better because the road is better. One more gear left in the box. See there? That makes so much noise, man. Well, that makes so much noise. Yeah. No, I'm not supposed to make no noise unless it's done or unless it want clean. Stop, look back at you and look in front of you. Look now, the sun a glare off in my face. One if cool remember boy, I saw I should take it, you know. I'm making go all the way dog so. No, you have to shit all in your hand, nutty. The boss has sit down in that chair. Yo. Wait, customer appreciation today? How are you going? Yo, customer appreciation today. Yeah? Almost can get something then. Which one I bite them we can take?
Yeah, I want to take them burger.
Hold on. Yo, you have got one bag here for me, you know.
It's $1 million response. Yeah.
Catch this up here, so. Yeah. Good morning. What? Well, eh? What is it? What? What? Oh, what? Hey! I don't like that statement there. Nothing bad in it. Then make sure, you know. Showing our way. Time. Eh? I go, me know I'm in time, you know. Yeah, I did. Eh? Oh, you see man ain't tired. I see man. Man is tired I work there. But that what that? That attack. Yo, outside, you know. Is that record? Yeah. I'll buy some gas. I'm the one buy a bulla. People say I lose a piece of footage. I don't know why I'm taking camera. Camera switch from video mode to picture mode. So when me think the camera, I record. When me think the camera, I record. Camera on our backside record. Yeah, don't you say fret. Don't you so busy, man. One thing we don't say no, don't ever full in a boy. You make sure say you full up that rotted. I bet you $1,000 full for me and for your bike. Bombard! Me say, right now free gas today, brother. Free gas! What you say? Me get 1,000, you just... Me get 1,000, you just give me 15 bills. I lie you a tell. Me not believe that. How cool you said to me? One. 2
cylinder we get around.
Well, say when we can get a test, we don't want that test as in una run back away, you know. We want that test as in we test it out. Eh? Yeah. Well, say we have to join. We have to get the ID first. We know, man.
Everybody's on push station, I know they made it.
More do a review on one though. I don't want to ride it. I just want to like do a walk around and talk about it and them thing there.
Oh, like walk around and talk about it?
Yeah, because I have a channel, you know, and I would like to put this on the channel.
Okay. So what about it? You?
Eh? Yeah. Yeah.
You know, should I leave with my gun?
I don't know nothing about it. You have to tell me about it. Yeah. I just get one. Charger, your life nicey? Bombard. Then if you take care of them at that. No sir. No sir, nothing no go so. You see what? You see plate with the pan it? You see plate with the pan it?
Yeah, but then when you drop it, you know what you have here.
Nothing now go so, nothing. You see once it have on that plate here, all if you're wrong, you're still right. That's right, watch out now. Watch out now, we just take off this.
You're wrong,
That's a true. But we know the system go already.
You're wrong, man.
Then nice still, me not lie. I like the dashboard and everything.
Nice, man. Don't eat everybody.
So you can't switch on, let me see that. Oh, normal LCD, what do they call this? I don't even know. 307, woo, that fresh man.
Alright.
Fresh. This not have no cooler on it.
No radiator.
No radiator. Eh? Eh? Yeah man, we know that. Manners.
When you ride the bike, you know if the bike passing a tool,
Yeah, I'm sorry, they really find us, so you have to pick it up.
Fast one.
Then you inspect the steam.
Yeah man.
Fast one.
They can't, they see the rod tall, you know brother, so it have a more punch, you know dog. Yeah, it's tall man.
If you ride it, I hear your sound. You know you have to do it.
Like it man, it look good. Yeah, Brazil you there now. Woo! Hey, you try hold the water buckle around this, you know. Cause it now look so steady. Outside, safety. Safe travel for the gravel here, my boss. New JCF bikes. That don't look like no 300, that look like one 250. But the Conrad tall though, me not lie, the Conrad in night, they look tall, so them buy the Agua punch. Them are quick. Nah, tell them no lie, round town bike them are quick. It are quick though, but it don't look like a 3 bills. The engine is small.
Right now, I'm going to them and give me papers and
what? Man, I'm maddest thing. Hey, them limit sweet, you know boy. Oh man. They limit sweet. And limit sweet your plug. That no man. Bomba, that fresh you know? Eh? No, a 3 bill, a 4 bills in ride. That a 6 bills. That look like 121 or 122, fresh. Yeah. Hola, may I make a stop? Eh, yeah. Yo, manners. Bro G. I am a knock off there. I am a knock off there. I will knock off that, you know.
My father.
What go on? Let's switch yourself. Yeah? Big up yourself. Matthew, go and do the right thing. No man, no. We want to save gas. Woo, the tire throw me off. Hey, come chopper! Come chopper! Why? Shit! I record. Pause. One thing I like with the youth people, you know, left in helmet. Him, you know, left in. I never seen this youth anywhere in the town without the helmet. Never. Oh, chopper! Hey, I don't want you to do that to the traffic. I don't want you to do that to the traffic, chopper. You hear me say? I go and clot him for the helmet back here, see? Watch. No wheeling, especially when cars are so nearby. None. Get the car in some distance and then do your thing. And especially car where I come down to watch them, cause as a man we just learn. I not say I'm not confident, but I not have that control over my bike when I can say, yo, if it a go out, bring it back in. You see it? So that's why I kinda keep them on a level. You understand? Smooth road, nice man. We have to leave it to when we catch a wheelie 100%. You understand? Oh, I don't want you to try lift the bike past the car. Cause I not take you up off of the car. You know what I'm saying? Come, chopper. Oh, there. Go on. People, this camera may die at any time. Because I never charge it when I go in night on. Bombard, choppy them a choppy line, rascal! Bombard! Yeah! Whoa! Oh! Ooh, the neck feels terrible. The cold breeze a kick, boy! Well, diesel. Oh man, yeah! Done countryman to black now. What you hold them? Think one new hole is somewhere up here, you know. See it there, yeah. Right there, so. Yo, I don't know about all the farm down here, you know. Hey boy, I'm pushing 150, you know. A time for you upgrade to a 250 now, man. I'm pushing 150, man. That was close. One more! Yo! Hey, fling that up aggressive in that. One more! I'm telling you what save him. He never did lean back. Back will kill it. He never did lean back. You see, if he never did sit back and lean back, oh god, that's trouble. I have to know that break the boy. And I think I'm breaking the foot in having now. And I'm breaking that. One bat, what that? Sitting dead. Watch out. Come on! We have two bikes, you know. And we have a space for you, baby, right here, so. Come on! What one? On Costa? Oh, which part? Which part? Oh. Twister boss! Right back I chuck. What? And you know that for top, you know, that top, you know, boy. Yeah. What you say? You say glad? Alright, me glad say you glad. That means you're ready for work. So now that I go on, man, I exchange, you know. I exchange a tire for brake. Alright, I know the brake look more important.
I want your brake.
Alright people, I go jump out there now. I never realize the camera still recording, I think say they stop. Anyways, I drop on the front tire there and nice up the machine again. You see it, so we're outside. Enough love.